just took 18 blinkers, 3 Zins, and some booger sugar. I can hear colors and my toes just filed for divorce. Okay, so I think the trees are talking to me.
We've seen what you did, Chad.
They know my government name.
Yo, found this hot sauce called Death. Let's see what's up. Not even, uh-oh. Okay, I was wrong. I was so wrong. Why would they bottle this? I need snow. I need a new tongue.
The others said it would be unethical for me to keep a human. I don't care. I've named him Brian. I love Brian. So Brian just fell off the cliff. He slipped right off the edge. Didn't even scream. No one's gonna believe you guys. So I captured 2 hikers today. Usually I'm chill, but they kept thinking I was fake and touching me up, you know? I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Maybe keep them for the weekend. Look, if it was some huzz, that's different, but even Bigfoot has personal space, am I right? No idea how y'all found my address. Probably the squirrels snitched.
Perfect. I was just saying my river baths lacked emotional support.
Tastes like gym socks and ambition.